Hey, I'm Peter with BibleMoneyMatters.com, and today we're going to be taking a look at Gen Mobile, and we're going to be unboxing this nice Samsung Galaxy S8 that they sent out for us to use with the service, so stay tuned. Okay, so this is the Samsung Galaxy S8 from Gen Mobile. We're going to just go ahead and jump right in and start unboxing this phone. Comes in this nice bright red Gen Mobile box here. Hey, and there it is again. It still has the Gen Mobile sticker. I've already pre-cut the stickers on here so I can just open this up quickly. And right on top here we have, so you can see that, Samsung Galaxy S8 unlocked, 64 gigabyte Coral Blue. Nice looking phone. Let's pop it out here. So there's the phone. Very nice looking. This phone basically looks almost brand new. Having a hard time focusing on it there. So this phone has the Infinity display, dual pixel, 12 megapixel, 8 megapixel with an iris scanner, and water and dust resistant. Let's take that off. You can see this phone basically looks brand new, but it is, however, a pre-owned phone. So you're going to be saving a bunch of money right off the top because you're buying the pre-owned phone. So let's put that there. Let's see what else we have in the box here. Okay, we've got the power and charging cord there. And we've got the card explaining the service and what different calling plans they have. They have a $5 a month texting only plan if you're one of those people that only text, doesn't really ever call. Personally, I would need some calling minutes. So the calling plans start at $10 a month for 300 minutes and 1 gigabytes of data, unlimited text. And you can go up from there to the $15 a month plan, which is unlimited calling and texting, 1 gigabyte of data. You have a $20 a month plan with 2 gigabytes and $25 a month with 3 gigabytes. Put that all down here. So that's everything that really is included in the box. You have your phone, you have your charger, you have your charging cord, and that's pretty much it. So let's turn this bad boy on and get it going, and we'll talk about what else you can do with Gen Mobile. So we've got the phone from Gen Mobile, the Samsung Galaxy S8. We've got it all turned on. We've got the service activated. The folks at Gen Mobile were kind enough to activate this phone for me and get it going so that when we received it, we could just do a review and walk you through the phone. But the phone works great. This is an awesome phone. Super fast, tons of memory, 64 gigabytes of memory. Again, this is for purchase on the Gen Mobile store for a cost that's probably 20 to 30% less than if you bought the phone new. So that is awesome, great way to save money. So we got this all set up, made a few phone calls, I've done some text messaging. Everything works great. I have had zero problems. We get great Sprint reception in this area, which is which network that Gen Mobile is running off of. So with Gen Mobile, you have 1 month plans and you have the 3 month plans. For my money, if you like the service, definitely go with the 3 month plans because you're going to save 10 to 20% off of the cost. The plans are going to be anywhere from $5 a month up to $25 a month. If you're doing the 1 month plans, you have a $5 a month plan, which is just texting only. There's no calling or mobile data. The $10 a month plan is going to be 300 minutes of calling and then unlimited text and 1 gigabyte of data. The $15 a month plan is going to be unlimited calling and texting, 1 gigabyte of data. $20 and $25 are 2 gigabytes and 3 gigabytes of mobile data. So
when you take those prices and you make it a 3-month plan, you're going to save anywhere from 10 to 20% off of the price, depending on which plan you choose. So I would definitely go that route if you're going to be using Gen Mobile, because why not? 3 months is not that long of a time for a contract, and you're saving. For example, in the $25 a month plan, you're going to save 20% off of the price. Instead of paying $25 a month, you're going to pay $20 a month. So that's pretty awesome. So why don't we jump into the phone itself here and kind of do a walkthrough of the Gen Mobile Care app. Okay, everybody, we're on the Samsung Galaxy S8 phone here, and we're kind of giving you a look at what you can do on their phone and within the Gen Mobile Care app. So why don't we jump right in to the Gen Mobile app, and you'll get the splash screen here, and then you'll get your home menu options. Bunch of different things you can do within the Gen Mobile Care app. You can go into your account summary. You can go set up your payment, change your plan, add add-ons if you want to add extra minutes or mobile data. You can go to your call history. You can go to support and get some help if you're having a problem with something. And then you can shop the Gen Mobile store. So why don't we jump into the account summary. It's where the meat and potatoes of your app is going to be. It's going to show you everything you need to know as far as which plan you're on, how much data you're going to be getting, your usage. It's going to tell you your billing due date, how much is due, and then you can set up automatic auto pay for your plan. Here's where you can add your add-ons. If you need more minutes data or international calling credit. And then you can make a payment or change your plan within these buttons as well. So yeah, there's my phone number, don't call that. Okay, now we can also go into the payment screen where you can make a payment, set up auto pay, or view your payment history. Go to change your plan, which is what it sounds like. You can go with $5, $10 plan. You can go with $15 plan, $20 plan, or $25 plan. Add-ons. This is where you can add on extra minutes, extra data, add international credit. You just select whichever one you want and hit next, and it'll walk you through the purchase history for that. And your call history. It's going to show you all the calls you've made and so forth. Calls to voicemail, calls to 611 help, international calls, support. You can go into FAQ, get help, and hey, get about Gen Mobile Care app. And then lastly, you can go to the shop and look at what they have available if you're looking for a new phone, or if you want to buy another phone for the family, whatever it is. This will allow you to shop on the store. So pretty simple, not too crazy as far as everything you can do in there. It's just got all the necessary stuff as far as managing your account, your plan, changing payment, any of that kind of stuff. You can do it all here in the Gen Mobile Care app. Other than that, this particular phone is great. It's super fast. It's 4 gigabytes of memory. You can save 1 million pictures on here, and even quite a bit of video. 64 gigabytes of memory on here, and you can add on to that as well with the expandable memory. And everything just runs super smooth on here. I've been real happy with it. Definitely check out Gen Mobile. Their prices, especially on the 3-month plans, are going to be hard to match with any other providers. $20 a month for a 3 gigabyte 3-month plan and unlimited calling and texting. So I would definitely recommend checking that out. Gen Mobile.